Okay, this is going to seem small, but it is my all-time absolute favorite thing about Canvas, Student View. It's like I said in the description, it's like precognition that you can go in there and test and like, oh, my students are definitely going to, this isn't going to solve all your problems, but my students are definitely going to run into this problem as they're going through, and you can experience things as a student. As someone who deals with pretty much all the major learning management systems and working with teachers, Canvas, this is where Canvas stands head and shoulders above everybody else. Having this in here, it's crazy, crazy awesome. So let me show you a couple of things. Once you have your stuff, you create something, you want to see what it's going to look like as a student. I hit student view and there's nothing here. And if you're perceptive, you saw me about to do that and you're like, you just watched the previous video. You're like, hey, dummy, you didn't publish everything. So of course you couldn't see everything, right? So I'm going to hit publish. It does all of this. I come in here, I hit student view. It gives me this nice little pink notification bar down here to say like, hey, you're in student view. Then I can click on all of my modules. As a student, I can see what these things would look like, and I can see if my directions make sense. I can see if there's any sort of typos or things maybe are confusing. The best way to use this is if you have an organization system, looking at that, what that looks like as a student, see if it's actually as clear as you think. I really like this one. So, all right, that's student view. In order to leave student view, you just hit leave student view down here at the bottom. That one did throw me for a loop when I was first discovering Canvas. I was like, how do I get out of here? It's a nice little button down the bottom right-hand corner. All right, go ahead and play around with that if you want. If not, move on to the next lesson.